Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many users face or Cash App, the sponsor request limit. If you are under 18 or need to access more features, you will need a sponsor. But what if you have reached the request limit? Let's dive into some solutions. Cash App requires under users under 18 have a sponsored account to access full features. However, if you have sent too many sponsor requests, you might hit a limit. This can be frustrating, especially if you need to send or receive money urgently. One simple solution is to wait for a week before sending another request. This allows the request limit to reset, giving you another chance to find a sponsor. It might seem like a long wait, but it's a straightforward way to resolve the issue. If you are under 18, the best approach is to have a parents or guardian sponsor your account. This not only resolve the limit issue but also ensure compliance with the Cash App's policies. Once you turn 18, you can manage your account independently. If you are impatient, you could delete your current account and create a new one. However, be aware that this will erase your transaction history or other account data. It's a drastic measure, so consider it carefully. If you have a sponsor listed but need to change it, you can ask the current sponsor to transfer ownership. This can be quick fix if you have a willing sponsor. Fixing the sponsor request limit on the Cash App involves a bit of the patience and the planning. Whether you choose to wait, use a parents or guardian, delete the create your account or transfer ownership, that's a solution for you. Thanks for watching.